How to change theme in Google Sites. So if you'd like to change the theme of your Google Sites website, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your browser and go to the Google Sites website inside your editing tab. This is a normal theme based on the template that I have chosen, and if I decided I would like to change it, something is not working fit for me, I can do that manually, but I can also use a ready-made theme to save my time. So on the right hand side, right beside insert and pages, you'll find an option called themes. Currently I have a simple theme that you can see right here, right? But if I want to change the color of this, I can do that from the existing theme, but I can also choose another theme that I want. So right here, if I select the Diplomat style, here you can see a couple of different type of themes based on the color. I can choose another type of style as well, depending upon just what I want, and then you'll be able to find them as you could see. And this is all it takes for you to go ahead and then basically change your theme on Google Sites. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.